Want to be a public speaker? Then you have come to the right place. Today, we'll present you with 10 invaluable tips to help you captivate your audience and deliver a memorable presentation. Tips number 1. Know your audience. Understand your audience's demographics and interests to tailor your message effectively. Gauge their reactions during your presentation and adjust your approach accordingly. Tips number 2. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect. Rehearse your speech multiple times to ensure clarity and confidence in your delivery. Seek feedback from peers or mentors to refine your performance. Tips number 3. Use feedback to your advantage. Embrace feedback as a tool for growth. Incorporate suggestions to enhance your presentation skills and address areas of improvement with humility and openness. Tips number 4. Make it your own. Infuse your unique personality into your speech. Authenticity resonates with audiences, so be genuine and relatable in your delivery. Tips number 5. Connect with a personal story. Engage your audience emotionally by sharing personal experiences relevant to your topic. Authentic storytelling fosters connection and enhances engagement. Tips number 6. Make eye contact. Establish rapport with your audience by maintaining eye contact. This fosters trust and connection, allowing for effective communication. Tips number 7. Use the stage to your advantage. Utilize the stage space to command attention and engage all corners of the room. Project confidence through body language and stage presence. Tips number 8. Calm your nerves. Combat nerves with relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or visualization. Embrace imperfection and focus on delivering your message with authenticity. Tips number 9. Record yourself. Speaking, evaluate your performance by recording yourself speaking. Identify areas for improvement and refine your delivery for future presentations. Tips number 10. Make a lasting impression. Leave your audience with a memorable ending that reinforces your message. End with a call to action, a thought-provoking quote, or a personal reflection to inspire action. By implementing these 10 tips, you'll be well on your way to becoming a confident and impactful public speaker.